So the average person would just walk right past this pallet thinking it's trash, but it's actually really nice oak wood. You could tell by all the black splotches around the nails. The nail is actually oxidizing the wood, which happens with oak. So most people would just assume it's trash, but take it home and then cut it into pieces. Or just sand it and then add some oil to it. You get this beautiful oak piece of wood here, this oak board, which has endless possibilities of things to make from it. All from a pallet. Before, after.